Good day. This is my performance task in Math and Advanced Algebra. So we are tasked to create a real Pasig life problem solving on quadratic functions. So what a problem I made is you need to sell a homemade food product for your AP project. You're selling mango graham shake that costs 80 pesos each in Pasig City public market for many customers. Each week, you have 20 customers. When you decrease the price by 10 pesos, you expect 10 customers to be added. So for the first question, what is the maximum revenue? And second, what is the price that yields the maximum revenue? So for the solution, let x be the additional number of mango graham shakes sold. Revenue equals price per mango graham shake times mango graham shake sold. So we represent that with 80 minus 10x times 20 plus 10x. And use FOIL methods to get negative 100x squared plus 600x plus 1600. So for the next step, transform function to the vertex form y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So negative 100 times x minus 3 squared plus 2500. The vertex is 3 and 2500 for the x and y points. Thus, maximum revenue is 2,500 pesos. Price of mango graham shake that yields maximum revenue can be determined by, for the price, 80 minus 10x, where P stands for the price. So 80 minus 10 times 3, because we substitute the value of x, which is 3. So it is equal to 50. Thus, the price that yields maximum revenue is 50 pesos. Thank you for watching.